rain. But once again, this is still a
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ouachita County in western Oklahoma, east central Beckham County in western Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located just southwest of Elk City, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Elk City, Hubbard, and Foss. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 36 and 49. To repeat, an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, once again, they've just extended the tornado warning until 7:45.